Welcome to Study Time channel. Now today we have to discuss Cartesian product. If A, B are two non-empty sets, then A cross B is called Cartesian product, which is the set of all ordered pairs such that first element of each ordered pair belongs to set A and second element to set B. This is why, because this Cartesian product set have first set A, so all elements in the form of ordered pair and their first element belongs to set A and second element belongs to set B. A cross B is equal to, we can say that A cross B is a set in the form, this is in written set builder notation, but we can write it as tabular form. A cross B is equal to X, Y, an ordered pair such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. It means A cross B is a set of all elements in the ordered pair, and this condition is for every element of set A.